just playing and my friend is just we're just recording and my friend here is just
my stuff is gone.
I'm gonna make
No, my stuff too.
you should put you should put your stuff like did anyone
Have stone?
stone? I think. Oh, Mal, may I borrow stone? Sure. I'm a kind girl. You gotta have those.
Nothing stuff.
I'm happy that I'm still okay. You should put your stuff after you're going in the chest.
No, my armor, my iron armor. Oh,
No. So we have our bed now together. You should mind. So Sparky now joins.
Sparky, may I borrow
Oh no,
your
I'm
iron
hungry.
ingot?
No,
Thank you.
no. I said no.
I'm hungry. Full body hungry.
Oh, baby, that was memory.
You should have food on you. I'm just gonna
Did
cook.
anyone have a
Sitaw or
horse?
not yet. So I'm very hungry. I like have a heart now. Oh no, not have a heart. This is my first time doing this, guys. So this is episode 2.
Where's Sparky? You're teleporting. Ouch! I'm hurt.
Do you have food
There's
on
a
you?
zombie behind me. Because I'm hurt.
Okay.
You're make horrible.
Yes. Can I borrow your one wool? I'm not Sparky.
Sparky. Your iron ingot.
No! No!
I'm
I'm so sorry.
but it's too late.
Hey! Hey!
Give me
What?
my iron ingot.
I will give you your
Excuse me.
Give
Ow.
me,
Ouch!
give me mine.
Ouch! Oh yeah.
There's your
Where's the wood in here?
How to make a stick?
cause I'm so hungry.
How to make a stick?
So good.
How many I could?
2. Line them together.
Give me
May I borrow your oak wood again? I'm
give
so
me a
poor.
stick. Can give me a stick.
Oh no, there's a zombie I can hear.
Yeah, I can hear.
I think I can hear a zombie. That's make your own crafting table. Sorry.
Ouch.
Sorry.
Sorry,
Oh, there's a zombie.
sorry, I am chocolate. Oh, I'm chocolate.
Oh no, why?
I don't like plastic.
Ouch. Why? There's a zombie.
Where's you, Sparky? This is zombie?
But I can hear too. I hear. Oh my gosh! Who opened the chest? Your chest. Who opened your chest? It's not yet night.
Do money.
Sure. Where are you?
First, I got my iron ingot.
Where
For
are you?
stealing Umel.
Give me my iron.
No way.
Oh, there you
Oh, liar.
I'm so sorry. But your crafting table is
are. Up there.
this is Wednesday. No.
Let me check.
Do not.
Donut? Oh, donut.
Are you pocket?
Yes.
Oh, his pocket is not good. Okay, not always day anymore.
Anymore.
Day is second year.
So let it down. Don't let me down.
there was no cows and no horse. My gosh. When we are
Okay, ready your sword because I know there's gonna be a zombie in some cave. I'm going back down and because I'm gonna make some.
when we're sleeping, we could make cobblestone a door because we're the zombies.
Yeah, we need a door. I don't have any more wood.
I have more wood.
I'm gonna craft a one. Oh, why do you have one? You need 6. That. Very easy.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Okay, you're locked outside. Do you wanna come?
I need you right now.
Is it night?
I need you right now.
Is it night?
There have a fever.
Hey, guys.
It's a joke. It's a joke.
Come inside. We're gonna lock you in. Place it.
Oh, good.
Place the door. I'm gonna put this here inside the door. Right.
Okay, it's have a tree.
Sorry.
wood. I'm sorry.
Ow!
Sorry.
This is so crowded here.
We have 3 doors.
I'm just gonna put my food. Oh yeah. Oh maybe we will die and we lost our stuff. So don't bring too much food.
Okay. I'm sorry. Where's my food? I'm gonna cook that.
I hope. Where are you mining? Yes.
Ang mami lang po.
Anong oras?
Is it sand? Sand. English. Are you Mara?
I'm getting this wood.
8:30. Binilis kaya ang mga bata.
So this is already 7 minutes already. So we have to be fast because maybe.
Where is Sparky? I'm gonna go in your mind.
We should share.
My iron.
Wait.
Please give me, please.
No. Get yourself.
Oh, I'm just a zombie. I'm going back to our house.
There's a creeper. Run!
Ano?
I'm gonna go with my pickaxe. First, give me a 4 iron ingot. Oh my gosh, don't say the bad words.
Okay, is this a charge? Where is the? Okay.
Oh my gosh, I have no stick.
My gosh, I know. Oh, maybe I could make some buttons. Yes, buttons. I think no buttons. Who fall? Who falled?
This is my iron. Oh, there's not a people.
Oh, where's my chicken?
Close the door.
Where's my chicken, Sparky?
I didn't know it.
Hey, I'm gonna kill you.
I didn't know it.
Let me.
I didn't know it.
I don't know.
Where is my chicken?
I have no chicken.
Okay, may I borrow your iron ingot?
No.
No.
Give me some.
Okay, iron ingot in your chest. I will put that.
Haji is a stealing.
No, there's no what to do. So yeah, we haven't have yet. I have an achievement.
Did you
of
think
the-
this is the place where... Why are you for mining?
No. Why in our room?
But it's okay.
Yeah, we Shadow already did that eventually in her own cave. Oh, there's a cave down there.
I'll get my iron in my chest.
I'm so sorry.
Give me!
Look down there. Look down there.
Budgie!
There's a skeleton.
Oh my
Budgie, give
god.
me my iron! Budgie!
Maria.
Maya! Budgie! Give me iron!
Please give me some for iron.
Hey, that's my achievement of me.
Look, Maya. No. My iPhone.
I will kill you. Where are you? I have an iron sword. I will kill you.
Oh no, she does.
Yeah, where are you?
Go to the cave. Go to the cave.
No, I see. Really? Oh, no. Tago na kayo. Dito na hide and seek. Give me my...
My stuff.
Give me my iron.
I think it's getting dark. Oh no, go back home. I'm gonna sleep.
Oh my gosh, I will go.
Is it night?
No. Okay, little bit.
Go back home. You're gonna die. You're gonna lose your stuff.
I don't care to myself.
Okay.
Yay, I make stuff.
Budgie, give me my iron.
Slash spawn point. Yeah, spawn point. That's why I put a spawn point here, so if you die, you will just click off. I put a carpet there. Yay! That's wait.
Skeleton! No!
Go back! Run! Help! Let's go! A skeleton! Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm going back. I'm gonna.
Ouch!
My gosh!
Ouch!
Oh, baby zombie! Oh my gosh! I will close the door.
Yay!
It's so early.
Fight the zombie again.
I think I'm gonna eat the Cool.
I think you're in the forest. Okay, you may go.
It's already 1:30. Don't care. Maybe your mom will game. Maybe your mom will game.
The arrow.
We're going to play. We have a zombie. I see a creeper over there and killed it. Oh.
No, it exploded by the. Why I haven't seen a spider in a million years? So
Please get in the
peaceful.
No. Difficult. That is the real survival, not easy. Is that?
way. No way.
Where I'm just gonna mine the
Oh shit! Iron golem.
Where?
Did you spawn it?
No, golem.
Oh my gosh.
Aha.
If I died, it's all your fault. I said it. No! I'm just a poor girl. I'm just a poor girl. Nobody loves me.
Oh, a horse. I will kill you.
Oh no, that's mine.
There's a zombie!
Where?
Okay, come here.
Miss,
Um,
where?
just fall somewhere. Somewhere.
Oh
my God.
There should be two.
Oh shit, diamond!
I'm not gonna believe. Where is that zombie? Who killed the horse? I can hear.
Zombie.
My stuff are
Oh
gone.
shit, there is zombie!
Where are you? Where are you? In the cave? Our house?
No, not in our house.
I will kill you, zombie.
Where?
Come here, follow me. Come and find my name.
Okay. That's my mining area.
No, here.
Where's my mining area?
This is where they're here. It's down here where Sparky is. That
Oh
way.
yun, that's ay, okay! Okay, zombie villager.
Just gonna mine this coal for healthy.
Ouch. Is that an arrow? No.
This is my worst one. I'm lag.
Yeah, I see you.
Sorry, I didn't see because I was too like shocked because I'm lag. Hey, that's enough of mine. How can we go up? Oh yes, he's there. Oh, it's hot. He's getting.
Oh, yeah, iron.
Can I have it? Because
No.
Okay, man. Where are you guys?
we're just close. I'm just finding his name.
Where are you?
Hi, Sparky.
Where are you?
Here. Can I have one piece of iron?
Oh my gosh, I'm lost. Okay, I see your name. Okay. I have 3.
Okay.
Nine. That's mine now. That's mine. Oh my gosh, that's mine now. Oh, there's a spider. Gosh, this is... Ouch! Oh my gosh! Ah! Spider! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh, atakin mo ako. Oh my gosh! Oh, help me! Help me, guys! Help me! Okay, I got this thing. Okay, this is Enderman.
Where? Where?
Help me!
Where?
But it's a joke. Okay. Please help me. Hey guys, help me!
I'm just hungry, and then I'm just going back to base, and
Ayun.
Who left open doors?
Oh!
I'm gonna melt my iron. Never. Let me melt my
Oh my
iron
gosh.
with one coal.
I'm so scared.
Buti may iron ka? How many iron do you have? I have a...
Ouch! Zombie! Ouch! 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 I'm gonna die!
Eat food.
Eat food in the down of the cave! I have no rescue.
I see you! Yay! See you!
Please help me. That's
Where are you guys? I'm just gonna. Okay.
Daddy, follow me.
Wait. I'm gonna mind this. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry. And my...
I have food. I'm the rescue of food. You're very deep, guys.
Where are you, Romeo Powers?
Maybe I can dig you up.
I mean Sparky. Where are you, Sparky?
You bump each other.
Sparky!
You're close each other. I can see you too. I may not yet.
You have a torch? Oh no.
Meron 15 iron.
Okay. Protect me. I'm gonna do a torch.
How much percent that is?
You.
I'm going here.
Sparky.
Okay, zombie.
And thank you, Sir Roxy, of course, the whole Star Music family. Kaya, congratulations! Sa'yo talaga. And of course, Marinatics, thank you din po. Sa lahat na bumili ng album, maraming salamat po.
Yeah, Mel. I'm sorry about that, guys.
Where?
Let's
How
change.
do we survive in this game? We have no rescuers.
I'm not gonna rescue you guys. I'm just a rescue. Where are you?
Please. Okay, there's a zombie.
Move.
There's a zombie in here. Turn around.
Ah!
Namatay ako!
Hindi ka naman tayo.
Kinuha mo ata aking iron.
Hindi ko naman.
Huwag mo kuhanin yan ha. Patay ka saan pag kinuha mo yung budget.
At least I survived mo. Isn't na wag ka na po.
Okay. I will survive. I will survive. No.
Did you get
Yay.
more?
I will survive.
Where are
I
you?
will survive. I will survive. Okay, donkey. You're not.
Ow.
Where?
Where?
Where's my gunmate? Budget.
Where? Why did we?
No, but I did. I said your turn around.
Don't kill the budget. Sabi ko i-turn around. Ayaw kaya yung tumingin.
Don't say Filipino. I didn't.
So I guess he's getting his own stuff back. Ooh, egg. I like eggs because we could make some. That was the disaster of Dino.
Okay, I will survive.
Are you hungry?
Not yet. Where?
Budget.
Oh, that's mine.
1 iron.
Yes.
Okay,
I think someone's gonna die again.
Okay, I give it your back your iron. But the furnace 10 iron is mine.
Okay, I got it the 16 iron.
I think there's an Enderman surviving day.
Oh shit, a creeper. Naku. Red.
Now I'm hungry. Not yet. Just gonna eat my last cooked beef. So delicious. What are crap? Where is my?
Let it's that time. Ito na.
Seriously, are you? Yes. What
Do
do
you
I?
know that song?
I'm gonna make a sword.
Okay. But first we have party in the furnace and get your
Stop.
make your own.
Budget. You have budget have
My
iron.
name is not Buddy. How do many times I tell you that my name is not Buddy?
And they will let you in budget. Whoa, tablet. Whoa, my iron sword. Thank you. See it again.
Okay, I cook my wooden sword.
I still have my iron, my new.
How many minutes we play?
24.
24?
Yeah.
Okay, did you have may borrow iron?
It's already.
Dark Maya?
Um,
Dark! Dark Mo! Dark Maya!
I don't know.
I'm gonna sleep the bed. I think it's not dark.
It's dark.
Dark?
Okay, it's dark.
Hello, Maya. Please clear it. Ah, Maya!
This bed is occupied. Okay, my iron.
Maya.
Flash game mode.
Oh my gosh.
See. Spark.
I'm
mean,
gonna make a helmet.
that was crazy.
Okay, see? Wait.
Just go to home when we are flying. I set Sparky game mode 2. He took a right time. Okay, where's survival and
Survival.
Are you home now? You're cheating!
No, I have a sword. I killed the zombie. I have a diamond sword. I killed the zombie. I have a diamond sword. Oh.
mine a diamond?
Yes, I saw.
No, I killed
The point.
this survival.
How to make a short? I mean shoe. Iron shoe.
Didn't remember?
Sparky.
Should be big.
Sparky.
No, you're survival. Ay!
Creative.
Sorry.
Okay, I remember. Yay! Got 2 armors.
Sparky.
Yay! I got 2 armors. Celebrate.
Okay.
So now we all have iron sword. Do you have iron
I'm
sword?
so lucky. I have a diamond sword.
Okay, I'm gonna build a.
Can you build a house, a real? Oh! Leonard and his family just came.
I think I'm gonna.
Excuse.
No, wait, but you will lock it. Why you lock it in?
How many strings are
No, that's not our house.
Where?
Come here.
Find it. Where?
So,
A dirt. I have a dirt.
come now down.
Wait.
Bye. Come now. Huh?
Oh, sorry, villager.
It gave me a pickaxe.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I'm pickaxe.
That's my pickaxe.
Oh, I will. Your pickaxe. Okay, that's.
Okay, let's
Now,
sleep.
your pickaxe now
Okay,
in your chest.
thanks. Now let's sleep.
Let's leave the doors.
I'm now sleeping.
Sleep it. I have
Let's that tomorrow.
no.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna eat.
Who?
Yay.
I'm the only girl here. Now can we sleep, Sparky? Who has iron sword?
Me.
Give one to lumberjack.
I have.
You have diamond.
I have diamonds.
Yay, I have.
Can we sleep? Maybe.
Okay. Go sleep. But first.
Please pray it, pray. Pray it.
I already pray. Night.
You lutang!
I'm sorry.
You're floating.
That was a good
Yes,
joke.
hey, Sparky,
I'm just
floating.
gonna.
Yay. I have a iron sword. Where's your sword, Sparky?
Do not
Use it so you can be very.
do not get this. 64. Do not get my 12 iron ingot.
Okay.
Let's go. One.
No! May you want.
Okay.
Keep them. You can thirsty. Thirsty.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
There's a cave under our house.
Yes. Let's go explore it.
No, we won't get back.
Why?
find shit so we could like make a new bed if we gonna go there.
Here's my...
Why you are hiccups?
No, I just like that. I just like to do that.
Okay, Romel, I miss Sparky again. Where is your set in the...
Okay, diamond sword. Okay, who wants diamond sword?
Me.
Joke lang, I have one diamond sword.
Where?
No, I have one only.
Me!
I have one only.
Sorry. Ouch.
Sorry.
Or I'm gonna eat this rotten flesh if I don't survive. I'm gonna be a zombie soon. Ow!
So I'm sorry.
That was one.
Oh, I see a sheep. Brown sheep.
You can use. No, you cannot use that. Remember? You're gonna make a brown. I'm gonna make a. It's too robot. I'm just gonna get the charger up. I don't know.
Did Romel power and use your beef? May I have one?
No,
We're not gonna use.
I cannot use beef.
We're not gonna use electric.
You have no armor, right?
No, I have an armor.
Use this, and I will use this.
Oh, okay. Suck it, the electric car.
Romel's zone is for about easy not.
No?
For what? For what? Where's
Secret.
Sparky? Where are you?
Okay, on.
Where are you, Sparky? In our house?
Yes.
Let's go explore the... Oh, you have a...
Who has a bed?
I'm sorry, I'm so sorry.
Excuse.
Oh, I know the charging.
I will sit here.
I will sit.
Here. Ah.
Be careful going to the farm because they're feeding the skeleton or zombies.
Who's first time? Like.
Oh no.
No, I just removed.
I'm first time mining in the cave. First time.
I'm no. No, you're not first time.
Okay, sugar cane. For what?
Cake. Get sugar cane for cake.
I'm gonna go to sand for
Make a bucket so we can make our first cake.
First cake for our anniversary.
No. For episode 2. Every episode we're gonna make a cake. Why do I always collect an egg every time?
to make a cake.
You only need 2, I guess.
Neither is always day.
Not anymore.
Okay.
There's a ship. I need that ship. I'm just gonna use my 6. I think it's my favorite.
Now your iron. I'm gonna put this to make a window.
We're living underground. Now we will make a window.
We're after aquarium.
We don't have any aquarium.
Oh shit, the creeper!
We're going too far.
You're going to the cave room. I remembered.
Right?
No. Ay shit! I will poison.
Wait, do you have any food?
Do you have any meat?
No.
There?
He eat a rotten flesh from a zombie. I can. Where are you guys?
It's over, nothing you near me. Helping you near me.
Where are you guys? Can I stay there, please? I'm just a poor girl. Well, I know where to go. I'm just gonna sleep here.
Oh. I will kill it. You will get.
Ouch!
Oh, sorry.
Yay, I have 2 letters.
And if you want it inside my bone,
I have my own electric and no one steal it.
you can and you can. You are a joker. You that can be sunshine in your pocket.
For food.
Amazing grace, how sweet that sound.
This is Kakruma Hotel. I have one. Where are you guys? Are you back at base? I'm lost. I don't know where base is.
I know it.
Let's go. Where is the base? Oh, I remember that place.
Oh, what?
Wait. Okay. If you lag, I'm lost.
Oh, Maya, you lost!
Maybe.
Why?
My stuff!
Oh, no, may diamond stuff!
It's gonna be back.
Ayan tayo, may diamond.
Oh my gosh, ang lobo.
Ano, may diamond is so, and may diamond sword.
Why did you?
Gaming! On your sword!
Mine.
Maya, wala mo ganyan. Oh,
I.
wala na akong diamond sword. I want to know diamond sword.
Time to tell the truth. That's why I guess. 38.
She's not, we're still alive.
Oh, I want to get my any items back.
Oh my gosh!
Cause mine's low but I kind of press it right now.
Maya,
I'm going.
Not Maya!
Mo!
I just like my name out. Oh.
My stuff is going down, babe.
It's all your fault because when you shouted. It's mine.
Where are you disconnected?
No, where you gonna cut from?
I'm gonna give you a surprise next
Give me a
Saturday.
diamond sword.
I'm gonna give you.
I will punch you, please.
Yay! My armor is still there. But Romel Power have no armor.
He has.
But I have no... But I have no...
I'm already building terrain.
Yo!
Why? Mali pa napindot mo?
Wala na!
Basta may susurprise ako sa inyo. next Saturday.
Why?
Someday. Or maybe later.
Yay, may stuff.
I'm not done. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, I have the diamond sword.
I told you it won't be done. Now don't punch me or there I'm gonna eat this rotten flesh.
I have a potion. Weakness. Special weakness.
Splash me with it. I don't wanna. Where's base? Where's base? I'm gonna be lost here. There. It's already 41 minutes. Maybe we could fix our first one. Ow.
Oh, a donkey. I will kill it. Who wants a donkey?
Not.
Okay, kill this.
Where? Oh,
Oh, pig!
it's overnight. Where's the doctor? Okay, I came back.
Come back home. It's gonna be night.
Where's the donkey?
It's already 42 minutes. But we
Okay,
don't.
let's go home
I'm home.
before
Before we hear that.
No, we are the fight.
Okay,
I will eat first, so
You have your pickaxe on.
look this now.
Sorry. Sorry. Our bed is so ugly. I'm gonna sleep back. Bye. Am I floating? Oh my bed. Yeah, where did? I'm hungry. I'm just gonna.
help me.
Oh, our glass is done. I'm just gonna give it to you. Egg?
Okay, now saya. I will poison. Oh yeah, I will poison. Oh!
Are you gonna die? Ow!
My, they have a glass.
I'm just gonna eat this order. I'm gonna die.
What is your lunch?
My lunch is gato.
Raw.
Mine is cookmut and I just know. Oh, I like it. Very fun.
Okay, we can sleep free it. Lord Father, recommend sleep. Okay, we're gonna sleep.
No! We may not rest because they're near monsters.
Okay, we killed it. Who wants to kill it?
Iron sword. Oh my God, no armor.
I have no chest plate.
Give your diamond sword now.
No.
Give me your boots to me, please.
No.
Borrow only, or I'm gonna.
Drug. No.
Bye.
Okay. That's it. We can rest it. We can rest.
Okay.
You are floating.
Me?
Or spark
Ah, that's your bed.
Okay.
Are we already sleeping? Oh. What a nice morning.
You are trapped in the crafting table.
Close the door every day, so.
Oh, I'm fire!
Are you really?
Okay, it's now.
It's already 45. We break our own world record.
Yay!
Bye.
Okay, there's a witch.
Oh, Maya, this is my chest.
Okay, there's a witch.
There's a witch!
There's a witch.
Come back now.
Go.
Bye.
Let's go kill the witch. I'm gonna kill you, witch. You're freaking me out, witch. Hey, witch, I'm gonna freaking you out, witch. Witch! Hey, witch. I'm
Can
gonna
I look?
freaking you out. Yay!
Wow, what a nice.
Yay! I'm killed the witch.
What do you have? You have an achievement of killing.
Maya, this is my chest. Maya, in the top. Die.
Okay.
Mau. That's my chest.
But she's really nice. Ouch!
I'm so
Ouch.
sorry.
Me too, I'm out. Very out. Very well. When
Okay, where's the donkey? You said it party.
No, I killed it.
No, where's the letter?
Oh, chicken.
I'm gonna.
Dinosaur.
why do we use our bare hands to like?
Oh, I'm poison again. What the fuck?
You ate a zombie?
No, chicken.
No,
Hunger.
I have no donkey.
I have no armor. If I give you some present, you will give me, another present for me. If you didn't give me, I will steal your stuff. Because you can kill me that because I'm the owner. So I'm the owner here.
Is everybody is real? If everybody is real, I will kill them. Only
Where are
me.
you, Sparky?
Over my unbelievable tae.
Poop. Ew.
Oink oink. Oh, brown.
That's a sheep.
Oh, it's a ship, brown ship. Wow. But the cat got. Ay, a donkey!
Okay, that's fine.
Haji. Oy, Maya, you cannot follow me, but. Mal, you not been follow me?
Yes.
Haji,
so
let's
poor.
explore.
I'm so poor. No one likes me. If I have a full diamond armor, I will just kill you. And an enchanted of fire aspect. Wow.
Oh, there's a sea! Hot dog. Maya, we have a sea! A sea ocean!
Huh? Why are you so...
I make him out. Yay!
You have a sea.
Sea!
Where are you?
Dagat. Ooh, there's so.
Where are you?
Yeah.
I'm
Over there.
myself.
Over there, I'm jumping.
Where are
Did you
you?
see me? Just teleported me.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Lava.
Regine. Okay, I'm just gonna walk around somewhere else. Okay, teleported me. I have no idea where. Okay, just teleported me, please. Oh, I see a large tree.
Slash.
Where?
My gosh. She's floating. No. Oh, that's a slab. Okay, this is the right place.
Hi.
Yay, I got the right
Yay, I'm now with Sparky, everybody.
Where your smart word? Oh no! Okay, takpan this. Skip this.
Wood, I only have wood.
Okay.
Where are you guys?
Well, that will
Where are
burn.
you guys in the mining?
No, in the sea.
Where are you?
In the sea.
In the sea.
Water. A big amount of sea.
Wait, are we
Place.
close?
There are so many sea.
Maya?
Where are you?
Wait. I'm gonna tip it to...
Run in the store.
Oh goodness.
Where are you, Maya?
No target much. Slash TP.
Clarkson. Sino kaya si Jordan Clarkson?
Wait. I'm streaming.
Where?
Streaming. Okay, I'm this way.
No targets much. Where am I? There you are. I think we're gonna be lost at home, so I'm gonna...
No, I know it.
Okay.
Doon na. Wabo. Maya.
Ouch.
Ooh, a little pod. Did someone exploded the creeper here?
I don't think so.
I think we're gonna live here because, you know, like, it's very, very pretty, right?
No.
We're gonna stay at base.
This.
So you're clearing up. So I'm gonna make a crafting table here.
Where are you guys?
I'm...
Faces are so very full.
Your chest?
Yes. Where are you? I'm gonna follow you. Okay, our home. It's going early in the morning. I
Oh.
think it's early.
My back is so hurt.
Where are you?
How many? Maya,
Where are you? I'm in
53
Maya,
minutes.
I'm going home.
Hey, wait. I'm just making a shovel.
Okay, I'm going home.
Wait!
my main place.
Wait, you're not gonna wait me. I'm gonna die.
Where are you?
Come, let's go.
Okay. Please give me a ladder, please.
Wait, I'm kinda lag. I'm kinda lag because I lost the server. I told you mine was not a great idea. I'm so peace.
There are more again. Whatever my stuff is in the chest. Yay!
How about
Tuloy ang Minecraft na dito. Inin mo, wala na talaga yan. Maya. Kung ako na lang nagawa o si Baji.
Hey, got any grapes?
Maya.
Bakit
gawa na lang kayo tayo ng bagong world?
No way.
No way.
We done so far,
Away.
and this is a new world.
No.
With a village. So we can
No way.
we could make a realm. So
I think we're survival in the nether.
The nether has never survived on the end. Run to the store. Yan, tuloy. Ano ba nangyari, Maya?
I'm here.
Smile over your shoulder.
Hey, you're here. Told you your stuff is still there.
Ang dami na so. And run to the store.
Where's the horse?
If you
Where's
want
the
it.
horse? Ugly horse. Did I kill him? Where Where's that ugly horse?
I see your name, Lumberjack.
Oh. Okay.
I'm going back home.
Hey, sheep.
Wait,
Did you see the cow? Did you see the cow?
I'm sorry, I don't see.
I'm ready for our scavenger hunt. I'm ready for our scavenger hunt at our in arcade, but I'm still gonna wait for you guys. Make a bed. Charging.
Okay, I'm gonna go for again.
Oh, a mountain. But Maya.
Where? Near home?
No, yes, in the mountain.
Ooh.
Get a friend
Where?
from me. This.
Okay, I
jumping.
think it's
I'm jumping.
evening. I think it's going evening.
Now
Okay, it's evening in that north.
it's so early here. Oh
I,
Oh, there's a sandcastle.
no. Where?
No, I'm joking. Only and you are.
okay, I'm gonna my iron
Your pajamas.
because for
Ay.
preparing the
Energy gab.
for
Ang
preparing
malok mo pala kay gab. Energy gab.
Mine for joke from me for my friends in school.
Energy gab.
Energy mal. Then.
okay, I think it's evening.
Wait.
Champion never change.
Sorry, I didn't.
Sparky. Okay, it's so
I'm just gonna go to sleep. Read me. Oh yeah.
okay.
It's on your hand. Okay.
Don't be mad at me, Sparky.
I will kill this starving. Okay.
Okay, you're floating.
Oh.
Dali, bilisan niyo na kaya.
This bed is occupied. You may not. I can't sleep.
You may not rest now.
There's a zombie in here. There at the.
Ouch.
Oh.
Be out.
I think we have to close. Sorry.
Okay, this is not me. Oh, this is not me. This is mine.
Yes.
Laya floating.
You're floating.
I'm sorry.
Laya, Baji, na you're floating, Baji.
Oh, really?
We should close. Okay, I'm gonna close the doors.
Running the sun.
I'm gonna adventure the creeper again.
I'm gonna Let's go and swim first.
Middle
Oh,
hour
there's a
late.
zombie! Yay! She died. I'm gonna go
Experience.
My will go in hour late.
In our lake, back.
No, this is.
Okay. Are new? Yes.
That's decent.
No.
Oh! Don't kill it!
I'm so sorry.
Please give me some leather.
Hey, when you want leather?
No, iron.
I don't care. Over your smile, over your shoulder, for the many times some go border. Baji, darabaan and zombie dyan.
Hmm? Do you have a zombie?
Yes.
Okay, run. Run! Ba't kaya pagkakain ako? Run! Run! Okay, where's the lava? in here? Okay, I'm gonna run in.
Jealous, I don't hate it.
Oh, there's our stuff. Here! We am back in our house. There's a hole! I want to mine.
Oh, please
Why?
help me.
Why? You fall?
No, this another
I have a torch.
skeleton.
Oh no.
Oh, skeleton. I will kill if I am.
Your armor? Okay, my armor is in here. Okay, there's a skeleton.
You see me?
There's a skeleton.
Okay. In the cave.
Yes.
Kill it.
Outside.
Kill it.
I will kill. Okay. I have no worries. Sala, be. Sala. Di ako makita, be. Di ako makita, be. I think you're not gonna
Tayo mo na, Magic.
They're so creepy. Skeleton! Here!
Only one is big.
Oh, patay ka sa Magic! Sunog ka! She's sunog!
Oh my gosh, we're only in an hour now. Ow! Bad skeleton.
Yay!
Ow! I'm gonna die!
I know.
Where are you? Okay. Save you. Where are you, Mara?
In our lake, nearest lake.
Where's the skeleton? Did you kill him?
No, yet there.
Okay.
I'm already in 1.5 heart.
I will kill him.
I will teach him a lesson.
I
Yo.
will teach him a lesson. Aray, papasalahin ko, be, sala. Sala ulit, oh my gosh. It's creeping me. Oh, sala ulit. Ouch, my gosh.
I'm gonna.
Creeping me out. Oh, buti nga sa'yo. Yay, I killed him.
Oh, I'm just gonna desert and flash and I'm gonna die too.
Because I'm lumberjack.
Okay, give me that cow. I will
I have
kill.
no leathers. But my armors, yay!
Hot dog. And then goodness.
Oh, that's my cow.
I have a hunger now. I have hunger. So it's 6:5:43. Okay, the first thing we'll do if you're almost gonna die, it's your last rotten flesh.
Yay! Where are you, remote power?
Not Romel's powers. Sparky.
Guys, I think I'm gonna stay at home and kinda, I'm just gonna fully me up.
Run the spa.
Okay, who had a one black hole? Black hole. Please give me some.
What? No.
I don't have any black wool.
Okay, I'm gonna explore again.
Is it clear? There is no more skeleton.
Yun, there's a donkey. Yay! That's mine.
Why do you really like
That's
donkeys?
mine. For a
Chest plate. Who like this crafting table here? Whoa!
why?
Look at the chest.
This is my chest.
We could make stuff with that. Wait,
This is my chest, Maya. Did you know?
can I have a little bit of this cobblestone wall?
Because I am the richest in this game.
Because I'm gonna wall our house. Right? Right? Gonna wall our house? Oh, it's there.
Yay!
Our new friend Balakiao said that he's gonna play.
Minecraft!
Yay! I don't know what she is. What level are you? What level are you?
You.
6.
Oh, I am 10.
I'm the poorest.
Yo, I'm 5 only.
I only have 2.
I'm joking, I'm only 5.
Really? I'm almost being 7. Because I'm your rescuer. All the way.
Can you make a fence for our house? I'm the decorator here in our house. Like that. I think I'm very comfy. We're not gonna build any house because this is my favorite house. Alright.
Stop singing.
Okay, I'm going to do my like our
Yay!
like.
I got A.
Chest plate.
Yay! Look at me.
You have a pants. Okay, let's go swimming.
Excuse me. I'm gonna put my stuff in my chest.
Me too. But I'm gonna put here my. Okay. I only have a stone sword because maybe that's handy, right? There's a zombie outside.
There's no armor.
Don't worry. We're gonna
Oh
survive.
yeah!
Oh, that's a gray or black?
I think it's gray or black.
I need him.
It's gray.
Oh.
But
I
it's
have 2 grays.
I need you, I need you, I need
My bed gonna replace.
no.
I need you right now. I
No.
need you right now. Ay, ay, ay,
No, don't
golem.
replace it. It's very nice. The gray is very
I will give
dirty.
it to Balakiel.
Okay.
Abelan Balakal.
I put this wall so it could be very fantastic. There you go.
Okay, I see a skeleton.
Far in the distance.
That's not a skeleton. She's lying.
This is dark.
I think.
Baby sheep.
Is it cute?
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
it's dark now.
No.
Where are you mining?
Yes.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
gonna put my torch in your
Oh, a donkey, I will kill it.
Oh, that's nice. Please.
Sorry, it killed I killed it.
Okay, give me the leather.
Woo! Where did the chest go?
I will put the torch in the...
I am the richest.
Why?
He has a diamond sword, so that's why.
I'm the looter.
Okay. It's...
Maya, you have no charging because you is putting in it.
Okay, give me some leather, please.
It's almost night, so I'm going.
Remember, this leather is... Did you use?
Yes, I can use the leather because I'm so easy. I'm not poor. Per person?
What charger do you have?
Per person? Baji. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, I have 2 arrows.
This is my chest. Do not. Maya, this is my chest, huh?
Yes. I am the leader because I'm the owner. Leader, owner is the same. Oh, good night. Let's sleep, everybody. Maybe there's monster
I
nearby.
have no...
Bye. Sparky is floating. Okay, 1, 2, 3, sleep.
Yes.
No. Yes, no. Let's go.
Go flip.
I said let's go sleep. Good night.
Oh, you're floating, Spark.
No, he's not.
Oh, and there are 1 hour.
Yay, we have
This is our first. Ow!
Oy, my chest is do not collect my items in my chest.
No.
Okay, there's a
There's a
If you
skeleton.
collect it, I will kill you.
I collect. I'm sorry.
Baji,
The
if you
letter.
Baji, this is my chest. This is do not claim. If you claim it another
What is-
object, I will
What
kill
is
you.
that object?
Diamond sword.
Is that?
Yes.
Okay.
What more?
Wait a minute. Stop.
Oh, donkey.
Sorry.
Donkey.
Yay!
I will kill you.
I'm gonna put this. Okay.
I need you. Like
I haven't eat a cook like I pig since yesterday. I think it is. Okay, I'm gonna find food for me, not us.
Yay, I have 2 legs.
There's a little swimming pool here
why this skeleton not be attacking me?
because it's in the daytime. I didn't do it, okay? Hindi akong umalis, basta naalis ng kaniya. Okay. Now can I have this? We could share.
Why I'm lag?
In this video.
So we're gonna end this video because everything is low, but bye everybody.
Bye.
Bye bye.